Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Salesforce reports and dashboards with scheduled exports step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab from the main navigation menu. Select the report you wish to backup. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the report name. Choose Export from the options presented. In the Export dialog box, select your preferred export format, either .xlsx or .csv. Click on the Export button to download the report directly to your device. Now, to set up scheduled exports, return to the Reports tab. Click on the Create New Report button to start a new report if you don't have the one ready. Set your filters and fields according to your needs. Once complete, save the report with a clear name for easy identification. Next, locate the newly saved report in your Reports folder. Click on the drop-down menu next to the report name again. This time, select Schedule Future Runs. In the Scheduled Report dialog, specify the frequency of exports, such as daily. Choose the time of day when you want the export to occur. Select the recipients who will receive the exported report via email. You can add additional email addresses if needed. Lastly, click on Save to finalize the scheduled export settings. Your Salesforce reports and dashboards will now be automatically backed up based on your specified schedule. Remember to periodically check the exported files to ensure they're being generated as expected. This process will help maintain a reliable archive of your important metrics and data visualizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.